Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are staying safe at home. Today, we are going to focus a new chapter from MI book, that is Human Values. Now, open the book to page number 30, chapter 7, Peacemaking. Firstly, I'll read out the chapter in front of you all, then I'll give you a short summary about this chapter. So let's begin with the reading. The name of the chapter is Peacemaking. What does peace mean? Does peace only mean no war? What does war cause? What happens when there is no peace? Peacemakers who sow in peace reap a harvest of righteousness. Children, meaning of sow is to plant seeds in the ground, and meaning of harvest is the time of year when the grain, fruit, etc. is collected on a farm. And meaning of righteousness is the quality of being morally right. What do you do when your friends are fighting with each other? Do you watch or do you try to stop the fight and restore peace? We need to be peacemakers. Lions are ferocious animals. Now children, meaning of ferocious is very aggressive and violent. They are dangerous as they can kill us. Doves, on the other hand, are birds with a peaceful nature. When we watch them, we are drawn towards them. Similarly, when we are peace-loving and peacemakers, our friends will be happy to be around us. If we take a beautiful picture and tear it into pieces, it loses its beauty. In order to fix the picture again, we use glue or Fevicol. Once again, the beauty of the picture is restored. Similarly, a peacemaker plays the role of cementing relationships. If two people are fighting, he or she settles the quarrel and brings the people together again. A peacemaker teaches that it is possible to live in harmony, and we can do this if we forgive those who have hurt us. Now children, moral of the story is, it is wonderful to be a peacemaker. Now children, come to the explanation of chapter. So children, this chapter is based on peacemaking. Firstly, I'll tell you the meaning of peacemaker. Peacemaker is a person who tries to stop people from arguing or fighting. A peacemaker teaches that it is possible to live in harmony and that we can do this if we forgive those who have hurt us. Similarly, here in this paragraph, if your friends are fighting with each other, you have to stop fighting as a peacemaker. In the next paragraph, lions are dangerous animals. Similarly, on the other hand, doves have a peaceful nature. As we are human beings, we need to live and communicate with each other every day. The quality of our life is much dependent on our relationships with other people. Without good relationships, it is very difficult to have peace. So, children, you should follow the same. Instead of fighting with each other, you all try to solve your problem by talking with each other. If once a picture tear into pieces, it loses its beauty. Similarly, a peacemaker plays a vital role of cementing relationship. We all have to settle down the quarrels between two people and brings them together again. So children, what is the moral of the story? Moral of the story is, it is wonderful to be a peacemaker. God wants us to love one another and try to get along, we can avoid fights. If we choose to love God and other people and try to make the world a better and peaceful place, it is possible to live in harmony, and that we can do this if we forgive those who have hurt us. It is a blessing if we have a peacemaker who can stop fights. So children, hope you all have understood the chapter. Thank you very much.